Amaze, amaze, amaze. That is literally the only way I can begin talking about Project Hail Mary. I walked out of the theatre feeling like my heart had been launched into space, hugged by an alien, brought back to Earth, and then gently told, "You're welcome."
I'm Grace. I'm gonna call you Rocky. Thumbs up. No, that's thumbs down. You would do the thumbs up.
The film, directed with absolute precision by Phil Lord and Christopher Miller, adapted from Andy Weir's novel, hit me in a way I did not expect. I loved it. And it's not just because I love space stories. It's because this one reminded me how deeply human a sci-fi adventure can be, and how cinema can make the experience feel extremely magical. Watching the movie on the IMAX screen was an unforgettable experience. The visuals are so mesmerizing that at several points, the entire theater I was in went dead silence. It is because the film knows how to speak without dialogue. It lets the emptiness of space talk. It lets glances talk. It lets the visual convey more than words ever could. And Ryan Gosling as Ryland Grace, I genuinely think this man levels up every year. From the musical magic of La La Land to even the plastic fantastic satire of Barbie, Ryan Gosling just keeps evolving. As Ryland Grace, he delivers a kind of soulful vulnerability that feels like the best version of everything he has learned so far. The actor just gets it. Grace wakes up alone in a spaceship with 2 dead crewmates and 0 memories. The actor plays that confusion and fear with such softness that you instantly root for him. As the story unfolds, the film asks, what does survival look like when you're the last hope for humanity, but also the last hope for yourself? And then enters Rocky. Rocky is adorable. I don't care that he has 6 limbs, sounds like a vibrating xylophone, and looks like a rock crab from another universe. He is one of the cutest characters I've seen in years in a movie. Their very first interaction had me giggling because it's awkward, unpredictable, and strangely wholesome. When they start building a mutual language from scratch, I found myself grinning like an idiot at how endearing and clever those moments are. By the time the emotional scenes set in between them, I was sitting there melting in my seat. The friendship between Grace and Rocky, this human and this alien, is truly the beating heart of the movie. The film beautifully displays how connection can exist beyond species, beyond sound, and beyond every surface difference we think should matter. When you peel back the spectacle, the movie is ultimately about survival, not just of an entire species, but of hope itself. It's about loneliness and how the universe sometimes offers companionship in the most unexpected form. It's about connection, the kind that doesn't require shared biology to feel genuine. It's about human instinct, to solve, to endure, to care, and it's about science, presented not as a cold set of formulas, but as a lifeline that holds humanity together. Even the astrophage, those microscopic particles threatening the sun, are not portrayed as villains. The film looks at every element of the universe with a sense of awe. There is beauty in everything you see, even in the things that could destroy us. Phil Lord and Christopher Miller bring a remarkable balance of humor, tension, and emotional clarity to the story, grounding the experience even when the visuals are showing you things that feel impossible. Benjamin Wallfish's music floats perfectly between intimate and epic, shaping the emotional rhythm of every scene. And the visuals, honestly, they are breathtaking. From the quiet hum of the ship's interior to the glowing streams of astrophage to the first glimpse of Irid's alien world, the entire film feels like a piece of art. For me, what makes Project Hail Mary so special is that it never forgets one simple truth. A story about saving the world only matters if we care about the people in it. As a viewer, you care so deeply about Grace and Rocky that every moment becomes 10 times more powerful as the story progresses. Their friendship made me laugh, it made me tear up, and it made me believe that compassion can exist even at the edge of the universe. If you ask me what Project Hail Mary is, I'd say it's a reminder that some of the most extraordinary stories begin with 2 strangers in the dark choosing to trust each other. And honestly, a universe that gives us Rocky is a universe worth fighting for.